Hey everybody, how are you? Steve Georgie here with Ryan Etner. Must be Thursday. We've got Ryan back in the house here. And certainly there is mayhem around the markets here so far today. So, Ryan, let's break it down. Let's start grains first. What are you looking at today?
Well, the beans finding some pretty active pressure here today. The exports came in well under expectations. 5-year average is about 800,000 tons, and this morning's weekly sales came in a little bit under 200,000 tons. So that's a number that beans have been unable to avoid all day here.
What about the rest? How about corn and wheat?
Corn came in quite strong.
Yeah.
We're expecting about 11 or 1.1, 1.2 million, came in 1.3. Wheat, maybe we were expecting about 500,000 tons, still came in the 300 area.
Yeah.
So not great, but not overly poor.
Which is kind of funny, right? Because that's what's higher.
Yeah.
Wheat's up right now. You got beans down a little bit, and then you've got or corn down a little bit. Beans grinding toward that $12 mark too. So
Again, yes.
again, we need to see how that handles itself. Last few days, we've seen some more of a, I'm gonna call it a recovery toward the end of the day, and we've gotten that pushback higher. But here it is, a new month, right? So you
Yep.
expecting anything like that today?
Yeah, well, not today here. It's tough to know for sure,
Yeah.
but what we do know is it was signs of index fund buying. They do typically come in either at the end of one month or the start of the next month. So initial thought would be no, because they came in to end a month. So my first thought would be that we wouldn't see them here again at the start of a new month. But they only trade the last 5 to 10 minutes of a market, so we'll have to wait to the close to find out.
Well, we got more mayhem now in the livestock. What a tear.
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, the futures were assuming $3 higher cash trade. We already have a $2 to $2.50 higher cash trade. So definitely something to gain some support from. It'd be nice if box beef was following this. If box beef was moving higher, that would help to tell you, hey, next week you might see this again. But box beef is somewhat calmed down. So we'll have to see how the week ends. But as of right now, a $2 higher cash trade, solid news.
Now, box beef has been, it's been great the last few weeks. So even though we're getting these, I'm going to call it maybe slightly lower.
Yep.
You've got box beef kind of stabilizing, but the cash market, can we see cash continue?
After this week, we'll have to check what that does to the total packer profits here. That would, just as a guesstimate, if box beef were not to move from here, they'd put them around $7, $8.
Yeah.
Once their gross profits fall under that $7 level, that's where you start to see them get a bit more cautious. So we'll have to see how the cash trades pan out for the rest of the week and what box beef does. But right now, you'd put it right on the edge to saying maybe steady next week. But again, we'll see. Maybe we'll trade cash even higher later this week.
What a crazy market. Seems like we had that big sell-off, and now we're trying to edge our way back, finally getting the cattle market back above that 50% retracement levels and back near that 100-day, 200-day moving averages again.
Yep.
And so we'll see what happens, but expect to see some choppy markets as we finish out the week, first part of the month. Happy February to everybody out there. Please give us a call if you have any questions for Market Mayhem. Steve Georgie, Ryan Etner. Let us know how you're feeling out there. Give us a call, 1-800-2-MARKET, or check us out on our new place, the Allendale Hub. So allendalehub.com. Take a look at that. Let us know how you're feeling. You guys have a great day today. We'll chat with you all real soon.